and welcome back to my channel. So today is Foundation Friday and we are going to be testing out a new foundation today. So get excited. But yeah, I'm going to keep this intro short, sweet, and to the point that we're just going to test out a new foundation. Sorry if you hear Dewy, he's pitching a fit. So yeah, let's get on into this foundation. Okay, so for today we are going to try the new Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and it's in the Dewy version. I do like the regular version. It gives really good coverage. I think it's like $7. It does kind of have like a scent to it, but I mean, I can get past it if it's a really good foundation, which the original was. So I have kind of dry skin right now, so I think it'd be perfect to try out the Dewy version. So we shall see how it performs. And my lips are hella dry right now, but I'll put chapstick on or whatever after the foundation. Okay, so some claims about this. It says it's the newest innovation to the cult favorite Wet n Wild Photo Focus franchise, Dewy Foundation. A weightless, super nourishing foundation that delivers natural all-day wear, silky and creamy. Coverage is easy buildable from medium to full coverage. And it is easily transitioned from day to night wear. Says it's ideal for normal to dry skin types. This moisturizing formula blends seamlessly, blurs imperfection, and helps minimize the appearance of pores for a perfectly smooth, dewy finish. Says it's also cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, and vegan. So, I mean, it sounds like a pretty clean, good foundation, so we shall see. And it comes in 20 different shades is what it says on Wet n Wild's website. But on Ulta's website, it looks like it only has 14 shades on there. And I got this shade Soft Ivory. I actually think it's going to be a little too light, but we'll just have to work with it in bronze and stuff like that. And if you guys hear anything, it is raining here. It's been raining. This will be the third day here in Alabama. And I've already washed, moisturized my skin, and I put my normal e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer on as well. So it does come with the little spatula like the original does. I mean, a lot of people think it's pretty, you know, unsanitary. Oh yeah, that is going to be really light. Okay, we might just have to work with it. Might look a little ghostly first. I know a lot of people think that this is unsanitary to do your foundation like this, but I mean, it's really no different than using like a doe foot for your concealer. So it is what it is. And I don't really know how much to go in with, so we'll start with this amount. This actually smells better than the original. Like, it has like a light clean scent, not as much as like the chemical Play-Doh-y scent in the original foundation. Seems to be blending out pretty well. Looks about medium coverage like right off the bat. And I'm also going to wear it all day, so I'll be able to do a wear test as well. Because I know some dewy foundations kind of sort of don't last as long as like a matte foundation would. And I think y'all are pretty much used to like my hair being on top of my head and my little crescent roll, because that's how I usually do my makeup, because I get really hot and I have a lot of hair and it just needs to be out of my way so I can see what I'm doing. But that's just one layer on my skin. It has really good coverage. I mean, you can still kind of see some redness on my nose and like my cheek area, but I mean, other than that, it covered pretty much everything. So it does say it's supposed to be buildable, so I'm going to go in kind of like on the center of my face and see if we can build it up just a little bit. It does feel lightweight on the face though, so that's good. Usually like buildable foundations, or not usually, but some buildable foundations, they can feel a little cakey. But I mean, right now this one really don't feel cakey. Okay, so that's built up. It did build up pretty well. Now I would say it's like completely full coverage. So I'm going to jump off camera, do the rest of my makeup, and come back and give you like, not my final thoughts, but like my final thoughts as like first impressions as of right now. So I'll be right back. Welcome back. So my full face is done now, and I'll just go through what the products were that I used real quick. So for concealer, I used the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo. It's really good concealer, drugstore. For setting powder, I use the Peach Perfect from Too Faced. This is my go-to powder like every day, so when I try a new foundation, I like to use the products that I use on a daily basis because I know how they perform. And then for blush and highlighter, I went in with the Wet n Wild Hello Halo in Highlight Bling. This is a really, really good affordable highlighter and blush duo. I mean, it doesn't really emphasize any texture, and it looks really, really good on the skin. And I think it's like $4. So, I mean, it's really good. So if you haven't tried it, go try it. They have like, I think they have 3 different shades in this, but it's a really good blush and highlighter, especially the highlighter. And then for brows, I went in with the CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in Soft Brown. This is a really good drugstore brow pencil as well. Not having a great brow day, so I just did what I could. This brow is always the trouble. Like, it gives me the worst trouble, so excuse her. For mascara, I went in with the Essence Lash Princess. This is a really good mascara as well. This is my everyday mascara. All of these products are actually like my everyday products. And then I'm still using the Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish in Act Natural. This is really good. It was a first impression in my last video, so I actually really like it for every day. So as far as the foundation goes, as of right now, I think it looks really good on the skin. Like, it's glowy, but yet it's pretty matte as well. It gives you like a nice glowy finish, but without being like super like sticky or greasy looking. So that's just as of right now. And I forgot, the check-in time when I did my foundation was 6 o'clock a.m. in the morning because I'm getting ready for work. So right now it is 7 a.m. So it's been on for about an hour, and so far so good. So we'll see how the rest of the day goes. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next check-in. Hey y'all, so it is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. I'm actually done for my day. I came home. I'm about to lay down on the couch and probably watch some Netflix because I have a migraine. So yeah, the foundation has been on for about 9 hours because I put it on about 6:10 this morning was a check-in time. I keep forgetting my phone to like show you guys the time, but like that is the for sure time. So yeah, I think it lasted really, really well. It doesn't look too bad. It is hard to like for makeup to kind of stay on my nose, so it does look a little red right there. And like my upper lip looks a little bit rubbed off, and like so does right here on my chin. But I mean, nothing too out of the ordinary that usually happens with foundation. I mean, really no foundation is going to be like perfect, or your makeup's not going to be perfect if you touch your face or if you're working and you're on the phone or something like that. So I mean, for a drugstore foundation, I mean, this is really good. So I do actually highly recommend this foundation for you guys to go check out. I think even if you're oily, I think you would like it if you like glowy foundations. Because, I mean, I'm generally pretty oily, but I haven't touched it up. I haven't done anything to my face today. So I think even like the oily girls would probably like it as long as you set it. So yeah, give it a chance. Why not? It's about $6. And if you like the original, why not give the Dewy one a chance? So yeah, that is about all for this Foundation Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell before you guys leave. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!